Hey, Jordan Carlos, Fatal Airsoft. Just want to make a few updates. I got a battery for my MP5. Yeah. Oh, and I found my camera. It's charging right now. So I guess I'll do a quick review of it. I can't do a shooting review yet, so here it is. This way. Yeah. It's got a sight. Can't see that. Can you? I'm retarded. It's got a flashlight. You press right here. It's connected to the thing. Well, usually this will be on right here. You know, kind of looks like the Call Me Nerd Call of Duty 4 MP5 with the silencer. Battery goes right in here. It doesn't slide off that easily. There's pins that you stick in. Can you see that? Okay. Mag. Can you see that? Full auto. I love what my mouth is right here. Hey guys. Anyway, full auto, safety, semi-auto. It's got a, what's it called? It's got a this. Just kidding. Okay, it's got this little button right here, and you just press it, and this, it's hard to do it. Okay, you press it, and the stock retracts, and it's got like 3 length of settings, I guess, like small, long. It goes longer, but yeah. That's where the battery would go, like I said. What else do I have? Oh, got a different stock. This goes on the silencer, like that. If you don't, well, you're not gonna keep it on there when you're shooting, obviously. Got a red dot sight. Let me get that working for you. So this is it. It attaches to the right here. It's got different settings of brightness. It's on 0 right now. Just gonna go ahead and put that 11. Can you guys see that? Take it this way. Yeah, see, it's got a nice little red dot on it. So yeah, I'll be doing a shooting test later. Not today. It's like, what time is it? It's 8:30. Yeah, but hot sound. Got my new camera. Not new camera. Old camera. Found it. Makes some funny buzzy stuff though. So oh, it's got this spring thing. Can you see that? This thing. You know, like an actual MP5. It doesn't do anything. It's just show like, ow, yo. What else? The mag comes out like this. Oh crap. Yeah, just had to pick up those BBs that fell. So, full, I guess it's just click it in like that. You gotta go like that though. I'm not taking it out. I don't want to pick up more BBs. Just slide this baby on. You take the pins and these stick them in. Lighting sucks. Get over here. Ooh. Right there. Okay, I'm about to leave out. Hang on. right here. Can you see that? And there's another one on the other side, right here. You just, you take the pin, just stick it in there, and yeah, so that's it. Good MP5. It's really quiet, which is good for. Get out of here. It's really good for like night. It's got a pretty bright flashlight here. I'm so retarded. And there. Silencer, nice, fat. You know, like, it's quiet, pretty accurate. It's got good iron sight, but it shoots a little high. FPS is like 360, 300 to 400, I don't remember. Yeah. I haven't been shot with it yet. Battery's charging. Don't know what it feels like. That's gonna be fun. So, yeah. Bye.